In this video, we are going to look at jobs on Promptly. Once you have built out an AI app or a workflow, you would often want to run the same app against a large amount of data. For example, let's say you have built an app that can create personalized emails based on users' LinkedIn activity. Once you have perfected your app, you'd want to run the same app against a large number of LinkedIn profiles that you may have. We'll see how to do such things using jobs on Promptly. You can create new jobs or look at your existing jobs by navigating to the jobs page from the sidebar. In this video, we are going to create a job which will run a batch of inputs for one of my existing apps. So for this example, I'm going to pick the language translator app that I have. So this language translator app, if you look at the preview, is taking input language and the output language. So it's going to simply convert whatever the text that I gave in input from input language into the output language. And if we look at the app itself, it simply is using ChatGPT to pass the user provided input into ChatGPT and simply returning the output. So let's see how to run this app inside a job. So I'm going to go to jobs and then click on uh, app run job. So let's give a name for the job and we can pick the app that we want to run as part of the job. And then here we can select the frequency. So we have three options here: run once, repeat, or a cron job. So for this example, I'm going to simply run this job once. So let's pick a date um, in the future. And for the input, I can upload a CSV with columns matching the input field names. Since I'm going to add records manually here. So when I click on add record, I'm provided with the input fields that I have to fill up here. So I've provided two inputs here. And when I submit this job, it's going to get scheduled. And we can see that this is the app that we are running as part of this job. And we can see when it's scheduled. And here we'll be able to see how many rows or how many inputs we've provided as part of this job and the status of how many of them are successful or how many of them have failed and how many of them are pending here. So once the job is finished, we'll be able to download the results and we can see that we'll get a CSV. This is how you can run your apps against a large amount of inputs.